Let's learn how to create the item type Hotspot. The Hotspot item type is an interactive item that allows students the option to select their answers directly from an uploaded image. The added benefit is the ability to test your students' visual learning skills. Let's get started by entering our question in the question field. Next, let's upload an image. Now that I've uploaded my image, I can use the Draw option to create different answer choices for the students to select from. This gives each student the ability to select the correct answer from as many answer choices as I would like to create. For this question, I'm creating 3 answer choices for the students to choose from. I can also make adjustments to what I have already created as seen here. Next, I'll scroll down so I can make adjustments to the fill color and the outline color if needed. Now, I have to set the correct answer. I can adjust the point value here and then select the correct answer, ensuring it's highlighted. Once I have selected the correct answer, I'll scroll down for some additional options such as scoring type and display options such as font size. I can also add a hint for my students here. Now, I'll move to the preview mode to see the item from the student's perspective. This is a great opportunity for me to check the item to ensure it's working correctly. Once I have reviewed the item, I'll go to the Metadata tab and select Standards for this question. The last step is to select the Publish button so I can make this item available for assessment use.